guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a logo name on the Ibis Paint X app today. So let's start. First, click on my gallery. Then click on the plus sign in the bottom left corner. Then choose your preferred canvas size. For me, I choose 1x1 canvas size. Then click on the brush icon at the bottom. Then choose the brush and click on the felt tip pen, soft. Then adjust the thickness size to 38 or the size you prefer. And select what colors you want and start brushing. Click the brush icon and click smudge. Then click the text to type the word you chose to name the logo. Example, the word paint. Click the brush, then choose the black color. Select the ruler icon at the top right corner. If you press the plus in the ruler, you can only move up and down. And if you press the circle on the ruler, you can adjust the size of the ruler and move it on any side, just like this. And adjust the thickness to what you prefer. So that you are seeing that this tool can be used for a text layer. As then, you click the layer icon and tap the layer number 1. Then you can start creating your logo name. And it's done. Now, you can save it by simply tapping the left arrow at the bottom right and choosing Save As a